Have you been looking for a text to speech website that gives you realistic voices for as little as free? Like when I mean free, you don't have to pay a dime. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google AI Studio to generate realistic voices for absolutely free. And I mean, you like the voices. You will definitely like the pre-made voices, and they have a lot of voices to use for, and it's basically free. This website, I think, is a big competition to 11 Labs. It's a very big competition because I've tried it and I like the voices that they give, and it's absolutely realistic. Now, let's get started.
So, firstly, you head over to your search bar and type aistudio.google.com. aistudio.google.com. Then you hit enter. When the site opens, you see different models. You see the try nano banana URL text to and blah blah blah. But for this video, we are working with this text to speech, the speech generation. So we click on native speech generation. Then when the page opens, you see two modes of audio generation. We have the single speaker audio and the multi speaker audio. The single speaker audio is if you have a plain text you want to generate with one voice. Then the multi speaker audio is if you have a text with more than one speakers or more than one characters, like a conversational text or like a drama script where one person will talk, the next person will talk, and so on. So that's it for the multi-speaker audio. And in this video, I'll teach you how to use both the single speaker audio and the multi-speaker audio. But first of all, we'll start with single speaker audio. To use this single speaker audio, firstly, we head over to our voice icon, then click on the drop down to select different kind of voices that's already set here. So, and in order to preview any of the voice, to know how the voice sound before selecting the voice, you can click on this play button by the side of the name. Like for example, this is Zafe. So click on this icon to play to hear what the voice sounds like.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Okay, so that's it for Zafe. So you can do like that for other voices to know to select the appropriate voice we want to use. Well, for this video, we'll be using the Enceladus voice. So before we select the voice, we have to preview to know what it sounds like.
Ready to build something awesome today?
So that's it. So we click on the name to select the voice. As you can see, the voice is selected. Then we head over to style instruction. Here is how you want the text to sound, or how you want the audio generation to sound like. So here we already have read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. So you can just leave it at that. You can still change it to read aloud in a warm and, let me say, conversational tone. So that's it. Then over here is where you input the text we want to generate. So let's say we believe skin health is essential for well-being. So we want to generate this text. We believe skin health is essential for well-being. We want to generate this text with this Enceladus voice. So all we have to do is head over to run and click run, and it will analyze the voice with the style instruction you give to the AI.
We believe skin health is essential for well being.
So you can hear the sound. So if you want to preview or to replay the audio, you just have to click on this play button over here.
We believe skin health is essential for well being.
Then if you want to download this audio to our computer or to our mobile device, you just have to click this three dot icon, then select download. Then if you want this the playback to be faster or to be slower, you can select playback speed and select any options here. So for this video, will be downloading it to our mobile device. So hit on download, and as you can see, it has been downloaded fast to our computer. So for the next part is the multi-speaker audio. So over to the multi-speaker audio. Firstly, we have to choose voices for the different speakers. So we can also change the name, but in this video, I don't want to go as far as changing the name, but you can also change the name if you wish. So we have to click on this drop down to select voice. So for the speaker one, I'll be using the Encelado's voice. Then for speaker two, I'll be using the Core voice. Then over here, we is the raw structure, how you want the script to sound like, how you want the speakers to sound like. So let's say I clear this out and say hi. Okay, speaker one should have a vibrant tone. Speaker two should have a grumpy tone. So that's it on the raw structure. Then I head over here to the dialogue to add dialogues, to add speakers. So when you click on this plus icon, you add the dialogue for speaker one. So let's say speaker one say, I'm hungry. Make me something to eat. Then that's this for the speaker one. Then we add another dialogue for speaker two. Then over here we say, okay, let me get you pizzas. So this is what speaker one will say, and this is what speaker two will say. So after all this, you will see that the dialogues between speaker one and speaker two have been added to the raw structure. So what you need to do next is to click on run.
I'm hungry. Make me something to eat.
Okay, let me get you pizzas?
So it's exactly what you wanted. This speaker one should have a vibrant voice, then the speaker two should have a grumpy voice of someone that maybe is tired or something. So that's it on how to use the multi-speaker audio. So after this, you want to replay or preview the generated audio. You just have to click on this play icon below here.
I'm hungry. Make me something to eat.
Okay, let me get you pizzas?
Okay, so that's it. Then if you want to save or download this to our mobile device or to our PC, all you have to do is to click this three dot icon. Then hit on download, click on download, and it will download to our computer directly. Then if you want to, we want to preview or want the playback to be faster or slower, we can click on this playback speed. We can increase and reduce how fast the audio is. So that's it on how to use the Google AI Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and click on subscribe button for more videos. See you on the next one. Thank you.